Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. After a 2 days break, how Nifty and Bank Nifty will react on Monday's morning, which index option to choose, whether it's a call option or put option. All these things will be discussed in this shorter video. And also, first of all, thanks for sharing and subscribing my YouTube channel and also Telegram channel. Keep doing, refer your friends and help me to grow this channel a bigger one. This video is created for educational purpose. Share market trading involves huge financial risk and consult your financial advisor before investments. Let us go to the chart of Nifty. Nifty on Friday, it was a kind of very big drop during the first half of the trading, and then it started recovering after this 11:30 or something. So it just made a kind of drop of around 120 points, and then it recovered almost the same amount of drop which it had made, and almost closed a flat or a small negative drop. And then what it means, if you go to the daily chart, it clearly indicates it's a kind of hammer. What is a hammer meaning? There is a kind of very good demand throughout the day, like maybe during the second end of the day, which clearly indicates Nifty might show a pullback. But on a global factor or even from the kind of disappointment from this kind of reforms packages, my expectation is Nifty might go down because it is very much below its support zone of that 9,250 or 9,300 levels. So which means if it crosses 9,300 only, Nifty might go up. Otherwise there is a very high probability that it might go down, and that is the same thing which is evident from SGX Nifty also. SGX Nifty on Friday evening trade, it dropped by almost 30-35 points. So that is what it is indicating. So Nifty might open a little gap down or something like that, and it might try to recover maybe up to that 9,200 or 250 level, and I am expecting a drop, and it might touch that 9,000 level. What is the supporting factors? So if you look into the option chain data, the next major resistance is at 9,300, which I have clearly said that is where it is having a kind of major support, and if it goes above that point, it might trade higher. Otherwise it will be acting as a major resistance. So the major resistance currently is at 9,300 level, and you can see a heavy OI build up on that particular area. And where is the support, which you can see is 9,000 level. So if tomorrow if OI build up in this 9,200, they will try to push the market downwards. Otherwise, if OI build in this 9,100 or 9,000 levels, they might push the market downwards. So far the opening levels, I think the market might go down. And what is there in Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty on a 5 minutes, it is almost the same, but it little bit underperformed the Nifty. So Bank Nifty almost covered its complete downfall, whereas Bank Nifty failed to recover, and it shed almost around 250 or 260 points on the day, and it closed a little negative. And you also see Nifty is also in its support range. This 8,700 to 8,900 is a good support range for Bank Nifty. What it indicates, both Nifty and Bank Nifty will try to go up, but it might face some resistance on the upper side. Say for example, Bank Nifty might face resistance at 8,900 or 19,000 level, whereas Nifty might face resistance at 9,200 to 250 level, and it might drop. So that is what my expectation is. So what is my pick for the day? But when you go to option chain of Bank Nifty, there is no much data, but there is a kind of thing that 19,000 level will act as a major resistance if it goes up. That is very clearly evident. So Nifty will have a kind of resistance at 9,200 level, and Bank Nifty will have a resistance at 19,000 level. So that is what it is evident now. Let us go to the charts, like a slide. So this is the recommendation given on Thursday for the Friday's trading, and both my recommendations are very clear winners like throughout the day. And 9,150, which opened at 125, which is the open low kind of thing, and then it traded upwards and gave a kind of profit of 104 when it went to a day high. but later on a day it fall back to 180 levels or something, shedding couple of points, and it almost come to that level. Whereas the bank nifty, which opened at 563, shed some kind of points and then made a low, but whereas it went to a high of 710, giving a profit of almost closer to 150 rupees. So both the recommendations are clearly winners. What is there for tomorrow? So nifty, as I said, it just dropped only 60 points, giving a kind of hammer kind of pattern. And again, what is there for tomorrow? So my recommendation is to go with ATM put option, which is 9150 put option, which is trading at 185 levels, will be a good recommendation or good kind of bet for the tomorrow. So my recommendation on nifty is 9150 put option, which is at the money. Even if it drops a little bit, it will become in the money and it will give you a very good returns throughout the day. And then on bank nifty, the same thing, at the money put option, which is nothing but 18,800, which is trading at 516 rupees. Even if it is a kind of small gap, like a down opening, it will be become in the money, and definitely it will give you a very good returns. So because 2 days gap, 2 days gap in between, so expect some kind of premium erosion throughout the day, and be careful with your levels and try to take quite a good amount of profits and try to exit. And we are get ready for the next upcoming Trade Like a Pro program. It is nothing but TLP program. It will cover from the basics of stock market to very professional level of stock selection and how to read the charts, and everything will be covered in this kind of online training program. Because of this corona, I am not able to do this live training, whereas we are going online. So for this, any kind of queries, you can just contact me on my registration, like a register mobile number, which is given in my description, and also email ID also. And please do contact me. And I always go with the request, like please do share with your friends and try to help me grow this one as a bigger one. Have a happy trading and a profitable week ahead. Thank you very much. Bye.